In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo delete in Google Keep. If you've ever deleted a note in Google Keep by mistake, don't worry. There's a simple way to bring it back, as long as you act quickly. Keep has a built-in trash where deleted notes live for a short time before they're removed for good. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that and how to restore your note so it shows up in your regular list again. Start on a computer, open your browser and go to keep.google.com. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. Click Trash. This is the temporary holding area for anything you've deleted recently. Inside Trash, scroll until you find the note you want to recover and click it to open. At the top, click the Restore icon. It's the one that looks like an up arrow. The moment you click Restore, the note leaves Trash and returns to your normal notes view, right alongside everything else. You don't need to do anything extra. It's instantly available just like before you deleted it. There is one very important limitation to keep in mind. Google Keep only keeps deleted notes in Trash for about 7 days. After that window, the system permanently removes them and they can't be recovered from Keep's Trash. Because of this, it's best to check Trash as soon as you realize something's missing. Acting promptly gives you the best chance to get your note back without any hassle. If you don't see the note in Trash, there's another common scenario to check. Sometimes a note gets archived instead of deleted, especially if you tapped the wrong button. The archive is different from Trash. It simply hides notes from your main list without deleting them. To check it, open the menu and select Archive. Scan through your archived notes. If you spot the one you're looking for, open it and tap Unarchive. That instantly moves it back into your main list, so it's visible with your other notes again. To recap the key ideas, head to keep.google.com, open Trash, select your note, and click Restore to bring it back. Remember the 7-day limit on deleted notes, and if it's not in Trash, take a quick look in Archive and unarchive it if needed. With these steps, you can quickly undo an accidental delete and keep your notes organized and accessible.